might catch there. There might be some on the back we can't see because it's this clear cover. But we'll pull all the tape out, clean it, put it back together. So I've done all the work that I need to do with this side of the tape and ensuring that it doesn't snap when we try and play it through. All we need to do is join that back up together. That's nice and clean now. Tape's now joined together. We'll put the lid back on, screw it all back in, and do a final test. Make sure it doesn't snap anywhere on the tape. I've fast forwarded the tape all the way to the end and it has not snapped, which is what I want to see. Now I'll fast forward it all the way to the beginning and ensure that it doesn't snap the other way. I'm on the tape back to the beginning and it didn't snap, so it's perfect. We'll put that in, convert it to digital and put it onto a USB stick. So we fixed that, it's working good, works perfect.